Hi, my name is Winda Medy Andriani. You can call me Winda. My student number is 11.2019.02010. I'm from 11.2.1 class. Okay, just see my video. Let's get started. Translation activity to transfer messages and or written statements from one language to another with the same messages and or statements. Many people still use the method of translating word for word in Translate, as is usually done by Google tool, namely Google Translate, become irregular, not in accordance with grammatical rules, unilateral, and can even be fatal, or what we call mistranslation. Okay, the next, overall the translation process. The first analysis. Analysis, the translator must analyze and understand the source language text. And then transfer. The next important step is to transfer the analysis results from the SL to TL. And the third, restructuring. This step is an important process that requires translators to use their feeling and language experience. And the last, evaluation. The last thing to do is checks and revisi. This step is to really ensure the results of the translation can be understood properly and the messages in the text can be conveyed. And then translation technique. The first descriptive, and then the second edition, the last reduction. So the first definition example of descriptive translation technique. Descriptive translation is interpreting an experience or term from BSU to BSA or vice versa by breaking it down into a sentence or phrase so that it can be clearly understood. Next, example of addition translation technique. Translation addition is a translation technique that adds the tile of information not listed in the source language. This is done to assist in the delivery of information to the reader, but does not reduce the messages to be conveyed. There are many Indonesian at the ship. Banyak warga negara Indonesia di kapal itu. Okay, in the table above, we can see the words translate using addition technique or strategy. In the first table, the word Indonesian is translated as Indonesian citizen. There were additional words in translating, but the meaning of the word Indonesian itself did not change. Indonesian, Indonesian the same, nor did the words in the second table. Crocodile is reptile, buaya adalah sejenis hewan reptil, is very different. Okay, next. Definition and example of reduction translate. Translation reduction is a translation technique by comparison the information contained in the source language to the target language, but when changing it is not allowed to reduce or change the meaning of the information. In the table above, we can see the word translate using the reduction technique or strategy. In the first table, the sentence garden accident. Translate to accident. There is a reduction or compaction of word translate, but the meaning of the sentence does not change. Accident, kecelakaan. So that's the sentence. In the second table, I can catch it on my mind. Aku tidak dapat mengerti. Okay. And the last translation problem is any difficulty that makes us stop translating to think about it. There are four types of problem related to translation. The first grammatical, the second lexical, the third stylistic, and the last phonological. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I love you, Memrani. Stay healthy for you. Wow. Bye bye.